So one of the most common systems that we replace as Nuvolo is actually Excel. Everybody's familiar with Excel, but we're also familiar with the challenges that using Excel has. So one of the biggest challenges that organizations, particularly those with large asset portfolios, have is making sure that data isn't managed in Excel because it quickly becomes contradictory. So by consuming that into a system that has processes and procedures around it to protect, manage, and continually enhance that data, we really help your organization to make decisions based on the most accurate, up-to-date information. But of course, beyond that, we're also then allowing you to undertake actions and activities based on that data, like delivering maintenance, like move planning, move executions, running capital projects. And all of these things have traditionally been paper-based activities. So not only are we making your data more reliable, but we're also helping to remove paper-based activities from your organization, overall driving efficiency, reduction in cost.